Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you and give you a little mini review of Monza High by Wille from the Modics collection in the color Toffee Brown Shaded. I haven't peeked. I always want to do this with you, so you get to see what it looks like straight out of the box, what you can expect, etc. So securely packaged. Oh, I like this color. Lovely natural brunette color. Sits on tissue paper, so it keeps it all nice and secure. It has a fringe, so for everyone who loves a fringe, this one might be for you. So whilst it's off my head, let's look at the cap construction. So we have a slightly extended lace front. We have a mono crown, open weft sides and back, extended velvet nape with velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs. Can't feel any permatease at this moment in time, but let's try her on and see. Oh, I like this color. This color is cute. Let me have a quick brush through of it, or comb through I should say. Oh, this is a cute one. This is great for every day. Look at it. I'm ready to go outside. I need to cut the tag off, but this is all you need to do. Let's look at it from all sides. Let's look at the lace front. That looks pretty good for a dark color. This is pretty good. Oh, this is really nice. And then you have the mono crown here. This is great. Wow, what an easy wig to wear. Straight out of the box, fit wise. Didn't change the adjusters. 21.5 inch circumference. Fits perfectly. I don't think I need to change anything. There's a little bit of gapping here at the back. There is room to tighten it and a little bit of room to widen it. So I do think it would fit a 22 inch as well, and definitely a smaller circumference than mine. But there is gapping as well. So when you have a smaller circumference than mine, you might get a little bit more gapping in the back. Permatease wise, nothing that I can feel. Just the normal tease around the open wefts that you will have with any open wefted cap, just to disguise the wefts. But this is just adorable. Let me show you what it would look like having the fringe across. So it falls straight into my eyes this way, so I would probably have to trim it, or if you don't want to trim it, you just move it back ever so slightly, and then you don't need to worry about trimming it. But this is what it would look like across. A gorgeous look, right? And then you can move it the other side as well. You can tuck it. Fibers are heat-friendly fibers. They feel really nice and soft, and because of the length, it won't rub much on anything. So easy to maintain with heat every now and then. This is a great piece. I love it. This is so cute. So tell me what you think of Monza High by Wille from the Modics collection. This is available from Aderans Trendco, sent to me on loan, so I can show it to you. And if you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off. I will put the link down below in the description box for this piece. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.